In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recall an email on Outlook, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, you're going to begin by checking that you don't have an unsend option on this top toolbar. Because I don't, I'm going to go up here and click on Settings and View All Outlook Settings. You can search the settings and do Undo Send. Click that, and as you can see, you will have an option to cancel an email message after you've selected Send. You have up to 10 seconds that you can choose. Once that's done, you can X out and create a new mail. I'm just going to do a random email since I'm going to be undoing it anyway. And as you can see, if you click Send, you'll have an option at the bottom where you can undo it within 10 seconds. And there it is. It's unsent. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.